Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my video. Today it will be a cooking with me. Well, sort of. Today we are making Belizean tamales. My mom kind of already prepped everything, so it's kind of just putting everything together with her. For those who don't know, a little context. Belizean tamales is a traditional dish that's like inspired by the surrounding countries. It's typically made for holidays like Christmas, Easter, New Year's, which we're doing for New Year's. But as of recently, you could really eat it anytime. I would say my mom's tamales is a little bit different because, in case you guys don't know, my grandmother on my mom's side was also Honduranian and they also make tamales. But how they make tamales and how Belizeans make tamales are like a little bit like slightly different. So we combine both and make our own tamales. It's kind of interesting. But anyways, we're going to show you guys a little bit today. This is nowhere near a tutorial. If you guys want a tutorial, I could send it to y'all. This is just showing y'all that I'm cooking and I'm trying to do my goals of cooking more in 2026. Even though they know you by now, introduce yourself.
I am Rihanna's mom.
And what we got here?
We got Anata.
Okay.
We call it Ricardo in Belize. We call it Ricardo because this makes the cal red. And then we have the chicken in here with all its seasoned. I have Liam sauce. I have garlic, cilantro, tomato, sweet pepper, onions, and slap your mama.
And that's slap your mama. She made it Cajun, y'all.
And then I have here tomatoes to help with the cal to make it nice and juicy.
And then what's this back here?
This is the masa, and the masa is ready to go. So this is gonna make the white and the red, both of them together. So this is the prep. The prep is ready. So all we gotta do now is boil the chicken.
Yep.
With the anata and the tomato.
Okay.
Right, I could put it in right now. And then we have our tomato right here. And then I'll put a little bit of water. If you have chicken stock, that is good too.
Like broth?
Yeah, chicken broth. And I'm just going to do water. Okay? So here we go. Water. And this is what we're going to use for the red part of the tamales.
Okay,
so
look at
put that on, and that's going to boil for...
It look good already. I could eat that.
It's going to boil for like 30 to 45 minutes. Until the chicken is soft. Now I'll take out the chicken, and the rest of it I'm going to use for the red part of the tamales.
Okay. Mind you, we got our tamales pan too when it's time to boil it as well. You're going to see how we use that later though. And then we just put the temperature high.
We also have banana leaves. So I'm going to clean these later. And this is what we're going to use to wrap the tamales in.
Which, by the way, in Belize, I know some people do their tamales different, but in Belize, we wrap it with banana leaf. Instead of, what's the other leaf?
Corn leaf.
Corn leaf. Yeah. I know other countries, they do corn leaf, but we do banana.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Tamales.
By the way, let me tell you how crazy my mama is. She's been doing this since how early this morning?
5:30.
5:30. And she thought I was going to get up. That's the biggest joke of 2025. Amen, somebody. Amen. Okay? But I appreciate her. I appreciate it. I just know I wasn't going to get up at 5:30 in the morning.
Not first name. You don't know Rihanna? You don't know Rihanna yet? Early bird.
You know what? I'm early when I need to be. Not when I want to be. Amen. Amen. What we doing?
I'm trying to make the leaf for the tamales. This is the banana leaf that you use to wrap the tamales in. I'll make 20 of those. 20 tamales. So they're clean and ready to go. Clean and ready to go, Ree. One. Out the meat so I can separate it so I can make the caul, which is the red part of the tamales.
You want me to do it?
You want to do it? Go ahead.
I mean, you got something else to do?
I just want to open this and then take half of it to put in there.
This
So
one, this chicken.
Don't break them up now.
It already broke by itself.
Take your time. You put all the chicken?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. Now, I have to mix this till it get to mince. Go get gloves, send me some hand no red.
Trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, it sounds so serious. Got me thinking.
To make a nice soft mixture, and this is the red part. I'm gonna cook this a little bit with the same season from the
chicken.
One thing we didn't do. Take off down, take it down. Take out in there as much of this as we could. As much as the tomatoes and stuff, you want to take those out because you don't want those all in the caul. And then that's it. Now make this nice and soft. Could I strain this? I don't know.
Could have strained it.
It's okay if you have ice going to the one place. I don't want so much of it in there, you know?
Yeah.
Because it's still going in the tamales. Just setting on
A
the
different part, not the
Yeah.
part of the tamales we
the
want.
red. Yeah, I don't want it in the red. Alright, here we go. Okay.
In the meantime, what is your one New Year's resolution?
To be rich next year.
Type.
Be rich next year. Now, well, retirement is a given. So that, I'm not even going to talk about that. But being rich, or start the process.
Start the process.
Sure. You never know. I might
Because
be rich.
fast money is no money.
Who told you that? Don't say
Everybody.
those things though. Don't say that. That's
You
not
gotta
a good
build
thing.
it.
That's not a good thing. You always talk about money in the uncan and could happen immediately, quickly.
Okay.
Like, nobody ever tell you you can't get money quickly. Oh, a lot of people get money overnight. What do you mean? Girl, don't ever say that. Only thing with this, you have to do this till it gets smooth. You can't have this lumpy. Somebody can't eat lumpy because it's not going to be because of the corn though.
But because of the other stuff.
Yeah. Then I'm going to cook this a little bit so it thicken. Not thick, but thicker than this. It's watery.
Yeah. You don't want water right now.
You don't want it to thicken, you don't want it to watery.
Just too much. I wanna shut it out. But it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. And it's one thing you so made me feel it. It's
This one now, I'm going to get a spoon. Stir it so you don't burn. Put it on low for me. Not low, but put it like 65. I don't want it so high.
Hey, look at. We in there. Take me through there. Take me through there.
one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. It's one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well, so
Okay, cook. Yeah, it looks good. Alright.
See, I know.
Hey, I'm going to thicker when, you know, the ball yet, though, after we keep boil.
Oh, like bubble it? Bubbly, bubbly. See that bubbly, 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 bubbly. A little coffee break.
Okay.
I ain't had my coffee this morning. We're good. But let's get into it. So what we doing next, mother?
Let's put it on for me.
Oh.
I keep thinking to myself, memories just keep ringing bells. Your voices I don't wanna understand. I keep jiggling in my head. My hands are clicking towards your door.
So
I'm making balls to open up the tamales down there. And then that's it.
and then we got our little machine. We used to do this by hand. Now we struggle less. Amen, somebody. Amen.
Struggle less now.
Amen.
All right. Normally I'll make these soft, but today I'm trying a new thing. I'm making it a little bit harder than I normally would make it. So that when you make it hard, you don't put any fat inside of the mincer, and you don't put it on the stove too with water. So yeah.
This is gonna be interesting because I usually like it soft.
Yeah.
It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you so made me feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. This one thing you know was so waiting. It's this one thing you did.
Meat. I like my aunt.
Oh, mama.
No meat.
Mama.
Meatless tamales.
You see, it ain't me, y'all. It ain't me.
Maybe I just can't believe it. It's this one thing you did. I can't deny, try it, but let me do what I keep on seeing you. I'm hoping you can keep mistaken. Babe, what you did? This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you so made me feeling. This one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. This one thing you know is so waiting. It's this one thing you did. I can't help it. It's just something. It's just I don't know. It's there. I don't fight
Had the honors of doing the last one. Ooh. It still came out good though. Still came out good. Don't play. Taste test. You didn't even taste it. You talking about some ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna taste mine later and show y'all another one.
It is so good.
It looked good, I can't
Yeah,
lie.
cook with this.
You don't got no more left?
Yeah, cook with that, man.
Okay, I got you. Okay, so my camera's quickly about to die, but this is how the tamales ended up. Yeah, looking real good, real good. So let me give y'all like a quick taste test because I'm so nervous. Y'all, I don't even know if this mud is warm, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh, this mud is bomb. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bro. What? Ain't no way. Oh my gosh. But if y'all made it this far, thank y'all so much for watching. This is also being filmed on New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year's. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, my loves. Hold on. Okay, my spiel before she started talking again.